from BCom first sem, and today I am here to demonstrate a presentation on nominal national income which was given by Nitish sir. So what is nominal national income? Nominal national income is also known as national income at current price. When we measure the income of a nation over from a given period on the basis of price during the same period is called nominal national income. Formula of nominal national income is equals to quantity of all final goods and services produced during the year into general price during the year. For example, estimating national income for the year 2019 on the basis of price during 2019 itself. So national income for 2019 is equals to quantity of final goods and services produced during 2019 into general price level during 2019. According to some economists, the measurement of income at the current price do not reveal the correct estimated price may have been byte affected by the market forces, inflation and deflation.